Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd love to show you guys this amazing, delicious Senegalese dish called Poulet Yassa. And this is all the ingredients I'll be using today. And on the side I have a list of all my ingredients. I'll start by cutting my onions. And slicing my lemon top. This is a little secret I always do. I put like my hands to catch the seeds, so this might be something you might want to try out. Combine all your ingredients including your onions into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic. And 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard. Now I'm just gonna go in with my hands and mix up everything. You can leave this in the fridge to marinate for 24 hours, but I'm just gonna go in and cook mine straight away. Heat a large saute pan of over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the pan is hot and the oil is hot, just go in with your chicken and fry for about 2 minutes on each side. You're not actually cooking the chicken to fully done, but you just want to get the brown, crispy look from it. Once that is done, I'm gonna put it in a plate and set it aside. The different dish, scoop up all the onions and that sauce and go in with the onions. I'm slowly adding my chicken into the pot and I'm going to let it cook with the onions. Add a glass of water if you want your sauce to be a little bit watery, or at least if you want extra sauce, but you don't have to. So guys, my pot was so small, so I decided to switch it up. I'm just going to add my olives and some bay leaves. I'm gonna put 4 bay leaves, but because I love the flavor that it gives my food. And of course, you guys already know I love habanero peppers. And add your baby carrots into your pot and stir it up. Once that has cooked for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Not everyone adds oil to theirs, but me, I want it a little bit shiny, so I'm gonna go in with my oil. I'm gonna add some caramelized seasoning. You can add Maggi cubes if you wish, and of course salt to taste. Mix, and this is the last process of my dish. So after everything is done, I'm just gonna put it in a plate and try. This looks so good, and the flavor, and it smells so good. You can eat yours with whatever anything you like. You can eat it with fried plantains, boiled plantains, rice, yams. I'm gonna choose to eat mine with rice. It's so hot. It tasted amazing, and I'll encourage every one of you to try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Feel free to try out this recipe. Bye guys.